Hey, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the immersive world of the Apple Vision Pro, a headset that promises to revolutionize entertainment and gaming. And in this video, we'll explore the pricing, accessories, and incredible experiences that this high-tech device has to offer. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Apple Vision Pro comes with a premium price tag starting at $34,999. Different storage options include 256GB for the base model, 512GB for $3,699, and 1TB for $3,899. If you wear glasses, there are Zeiss optical inserts for readers at $99 and prescription lenses for $149. For added protection, AppleCare will set you back an additional $499, offering 2 years of unlimited repairs and damage protection. And don't forget about accessories. The $199 travel case is my top recommendation, ensuring your Vision Pro stays safe during travel, along with other options like Belkin's $49 battery holder. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show. The entertainment experience on day one. The Apple Vision Pro proves itself as a first-class entertainment device. With hundreds of 3D movies available on Apple TV, the visual experience is mind-blowing. From Man of Steel to the Super Mario Bros. Movie, the headset brings characters to life, making you feel like you're part of the action. But it's not just about the visuals. The audio quality on the Vision Pro is equally impressive. With 2 built-in audio pods delivering rich spatial audio, the sound quality immerses you in the experience. Whether it's music on Apple Music or the detailed sounds in a 3D movie, the audio adds another layer to the overall immersion. Apple takes entertainment further with immersive video, offering a 3D experience through 8K recordings with a 180-degree field of view. From Highline Adventures in Norway to Alicia Keys' studio rehearsal, the level of immersion is unparalleled. As for gaming, while there might not be killer games yet, there's a good mix of native games and supersized iPad apps. Games like Jetpack Joyride and Synth Riders showcase the potential of mixed reality, providing unique and enjoyable experiences. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of the Apple Vision Pro. What are your thoughts on this futuristic headset? Are you ready to invest in the next level of entertainment and gaming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell. I'm White Tech, signing off. Until next time, stay tech savvy.